bright lights of Seoul's ultra-modern skyline are an iconic sight. But did you know that this bustling metropolis has become a global hotspot for something entirely different? South Korea's dental clinics are taking the world by storm, and dental tourism in this fascinating country is on the rise like never before. When you think of world-class dental care, places like Switzerland or the United States might come to mind. But South Korea has quietly emerged as a powerhouse in the field, offering unparalleled expertise, cutting-edge technology, and a level of artistry that turns ordinary smiles into true masterpieces. Let's hear directly from a patient about why getting dental work done in Seoul was such an amazing experience for her.
Hi, my name is Jinju, and I went to the clinic because one of my teeth broke, so my tooth started to hurt. So when I first went to the clinic, I went up to the 14th floor, which was their waiting area. It was the whole floor, and it was very fancy, very luxurious. So after waiting there, filling out my chart, they told me to go on over to a different floor to take my x-ray and make sure that they had a good idea on what was going on with my tooth. So when I sat down, they had a really big TV screen in front of me. So the doctor would sit down next to me, and he would be circling the areas that were problematic, and he would explain exactly what was going on. So with my tooth, we found out that along with a previous filling that broke, the tooth itself was actually cracked too, which was causing a lot more of the pain, and it was quite close to my nerves. So that was causing a lot more pain than just a simple crack at the edge of your tooth. So even after the doctor left, I had a consultant and a nurse who stayed by my side to answer all of the questions that I've had. And they were very careful in how they approached treating my tooth before they put in anesthesia. Usually anesthesia hurts, but the doctor was explaining how it hurt because it was injected so quickly, and doctors usually inject it quickly so that they can get it over with quickly, and the patient wouldn't have to go through so much when they're getting it. So they think just get it over with quickly. But this doctor explained how he's going to take his time, because even if it takes longer, you're not going to really feel any pain at all. And so I didn't feel any pain even after the anesthesia wore away. They did a really good job to my tooth, so I didn't really feel any pain at all. I went into a private room, and it was really nice. It was very fancy. They even closed the door. In Korea, space is very limited, so you usually don't get your own private space at a dental clinic. Usually you're in a big room with several chairs, and there would just be divisions in the middle. But this clinic had a small room for each of their patients so that the doctors would know which patient they're dealing with, fully focus on the patient that's in front of them, and then once things are done, the nurses and the consultants would wrap things up really nicely. After finding out that my tooth cracked and the filling was not good to use anymore either, they said that this would be the first crown that I would get. They had to get rid of everything that was there in order to put in a crown. And so they shaved it down, and it was very close to my nerve, so we weren't sure whether we had to do root canal or not. They wanted to save the tooth as much as possible. They said, we're going to put in the temporary crown. You come back around a week or so later. I went a week with my temporary crown. Because they have their own labs and they can create crowns within a few hours, if I didn't need root canal, I could have gotten my permanent crown on the same day, and then my whole treatment would have been done. But because there was a possibility of me getting root canal in case the situation was more severe, after I put in my crown, they were kind enough to go in with teeth cleaning as well. So they just cleaned out my teeth. They told me, oh, make sure to brush the inner sides of your teeth a little more. So I was like, will do. I asked any questions I had about flossing, about brushing my teeth. They answered everything, and they were very kind.
But your dental tourism experience in Seoul doesn't stop at the clinic. This city is a vibrant kaleidoscope of ancient traditions and ultra-modern wonders, offering endless opportunities to explore and make unforgettable memories. After your appointment, why not indulge in some retail therapy at the iconic Myeongdong Street Market? This bustling outdoor shopping mecca is a treasure trove of Korean cosmetics, fashion, street food, and more. Haggling is encouraged, so put your bargaining skills to the test. Or take a stroll along the tranquil Cheonggyecheon stream, an urban oasis winding through the heart of Seoul. This beautifully restored waterway is lined with leafy walkways, fountains, and picturesque bridges, providing a welcome respite from the city's frenetic pace. For the ultimate Korean pop culture immersion, don't miss the chance to attend a K-pop dance class or concert while you're in town. Of course, no visit to Seoul would be complete without exploring its rich cultural heritage. The breathtaking Gyeongbokgung Palace and the mesmerizing Bukchon Hanok Village offer a glimpse into Korea's storied past and architectural marvels. Of course, after getting that sparkling new smile, you'll want to take it easy on your mouth for a little while. But don't worry, Seoul has plenty of delicious soft food options that will be gentle on your fresh dental work. Treat yourself to a warm, comforting bowl of soothing samgyeopsal ghee, grilled pork belly wraps, or some pillowy soft jinbang, Korean steamed bread, filled with sweet red bean paste. For a refreshing snack, sip on some silky pat bingsu, shaved ice dessert, or a creamy bingsu milkshake. Your taste buds and newly renovated teeth will be overjoyed. For the adventurous souls, consider a hike through the gorgeous Bukhansan National Park, located right within the city limits. Its lush trails and stunning granite peaks offer a refreshing escape from the urban landscape. And when the sun goes down, Seoul truly comes alive. From thumping nightclubs in Hongdae to trendy rooftop bars, sizzling barbecue joints, and lively outdoor markets, the city's nocturnal energy is simply electric. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, book that dental appointment at one of Seoul's cutting-edge clinics, and get ready for the ultimate smile makeover and cultural adventure. This city has it all. World-class dentistry, fascinating history, incredible food, and endless excitement. Your smile and soul will thank you. Thanks for watching, and please like this video.